this is your church, and then just down this road is where the abortion clinic is.
That's right, yeah.
British anti-abortion rights activist Isabel von Spruce has been arrested twice while standing silently on this street outside an abortion clinic in Birmingham, England. She says she was silently praying.
You're under arrest on suspicion of failing to comply with the Public Spaces Protection Order.
UK legislation establishes safe zones around abortion clinics to shield women seeking care from protesters. Abortion rights groups say silent prayer amounts to harassment for women entering the clinics.
So sometimes I'd stand or walk near an abortion facility.
Von Spruce says she was not protesting when she was detained inside one of these zones, and therefore not breaking any rules. And for legal help, she reached out to an organization with American roots, ADF International.
They've been the ones who've been legally supporting me and just been really, really helpful with the advice that they've given me throughout the whole thing.
This is why Alliance Defending Freedom exists.
ADF, or Alliance Defending Freedom, is the Christian legal organization, branded a hate group by the Southern Poverty Law Center, that's behind many of the recent major court cases affecting reproductive rights in the United States. ADF lawyers worked on the Supreme Court case that got Roe v. Wade overturned, and the recent case seeking to restrict access to the abortion pill, Mifepristone.
I think Americans know very, very little about what these American organizations are exporting in terms of rights stripping policies into other countries.
Heidi Byrick runs the Global Project Against Hate and Extremism.
Their technique to find people to represent in courts of law around the world, how successful is that technique in changing legislation?
ADF has been wildly successful here in the United States, but they've also been successful in the European Union. This is an organization that wins, and they leverage the courts to get their policies in place.
ADF rejects being characterized as a hate group and says it has, quote, championed the rights of vulnerable people around the world.
We should really be paying attention to them because they've fundamentally changed American society already with these rulings, and the same can happen in other places.
Haley Ott, CBS News, Birmingham, England.